Greatness awaits. It just needs a master. A touch of feline genius. Precision, elegance, power, the mark of a true craftsman. A structural stress test. Must, obviously. Adapt, improvise. Never let them see you doubt. A builder must ascend, literally, to new heights of brilliance. Almost there! The summit is near! Victory is for the persistent! Ta-da! The equipment is the problem, not the master. A bolder approach is needed. Nailed it! Just as planned. I knew it! It wasn't a house. It was a prototype.